I'm recording now, yeah. That's Justin. Everybody knows him. This is my Uncle Michael. Say Uncle Michael.
Hi, Uncle Michael.
This is the stairs. Where's Ezra? 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 That's the cutest girl in the world right there.
Happy birthday, dear Grandpa!
That's my grandpa.
What?
Say hi.
Hello. How are you?
That's my grandma.
Hi.
That's my grandma's dog.
I'm gonna get my camera.
Oh, yeah.
Ezra, sing. Come here.
No.
Sing. Sing. Yes.
No.
What's that you have in your hand?
No.
What is it? Stop laughing. What is it? Oh, it's Elastic Girl.
Yes.
There's Justin again. Came downstairs. Let's go outside. My dog Bo. What's up, big boy?
Guess what? Watch out! We're gonna shock you!
And that's my brother, his friend, and my other cousin Ivy.
Shocking motion!
That's Justin again. Hey, look at the sky. It's so nice.
We're ready!
Go on trampoline.
We're ready to shock!
It's my grandpa again. Walking Texas Ranger. Yeah, that's my grandpa.
Happy birthday to you.
Look at mine.
Happy birthday to you.
You got any batteries?
This is the only ones I have in here.
Happy birthday.
Why are you singing happy birthday? It's nobody's birthday.
Invisible Day.
Invisible Day? What?
Happy birthday to you.
I don't know.